How can you effectively increase your production line performance and reduce downtime? We can provide the holistic care your business deserves with the Siemens Sitrans SCM IQ Smart Condition Monitoring Solution. The Hellenic Bottling Company was able to immediately prevent equipment failures through AI-based anomaly detection and avoid 4 major downtimes. The Sitrans SCM IQ offers low implementing and operating costs, fast investment return, and instantly available multi-sensory data through a browser, thanks to a dedicated app. Any anomaly is quickly reported, allowing your business to become more mobile and digitized. Siemens. Curiosity creates future.